Hello everyone, welcome to KNS. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a bootable drive. So with step 1, we will go to Microsoft official website and download the Microsoft OS. When you search Microsoft OS download, with the first option, you will see software download here. Yours might be different, but you can equally follow with what I'm showing on my screen so that you'll be able to get the software downloaded. You can choose any of this, it will take you to the same place. From here, you select the OS that you wish to install. I wish to install Windows 11. So to begin, I'll click on Download Installation Assistant. This is going to assist you with the installation process, but since you have me, you don't need it. Create a Windows 11 installation media. This here is going to help you create an installation media, but for the sake of this video, we are not going to use that one. Here's the main software that you wish to download. When we come down here, you will see we have Windows 11 ISOs for AMD 64 devices. You can choose other devices if you want to, but with the device that I'm using, we will be going straight with this. Windows will verify, then let you select the language that you wish to use. I'll be using English language from the United States. It will verify again and give you a link to download the OS. You will click on this to download the OS. Yours might be different. I already have it downloaded. That's why the prompt is saying this download already exists. This prompt is from an IDM. I'll cancel it and locate it in my file directory. So this is my Windows downloaded. Also, we'll head on to Rufus site and download Rufus. This device is what we are going to use in creating the bootable drive. So once you search for Rufus, you click on it to go to the site and download it. I'll choose the first option, which is what I want to download for my system. After it's run and you download this software, I'm going to cancel it because I already have it downloaded. You open your download file directory, you see it here. So now I have my Rufus downloaded and Windows 11 set up to download it. Let's go on to step 2. In step 2, we will run the Rufus software so that we can use it to create a bootable drive. But before that, we have to get a drive ready. A pen drive which can be of size 8 gig or even more depending on what you want, but I recommend 8 gig. I will insert my drive into my laptop and run the Rufus app. After running it, you see the interface I have on my screen. The drive I inserted into this is a 64 gig drive, which we have here as this. So you click on this to select the device, that's the drive that you've inserted. Then I'll go on and select the setup that I want to create the bootable with. You can leave these settings the same based on the system configuration that you have and start creating the bootable drive. You get this prompt on your screen. I'll recommend you leave them as it is and click OK to run. This is going to erase everything on your drive and create a new bootable drive for you. Click OK to continue. You give it time for it to delete everything on your drive and create the partition that is needed to create this bootable drive for you. After waiting for the Rufus to create the bootable drive, when you see this ready here, it means close it and we are done with our bootable drive. You can go to the file manager by using the shortcut Windows E to bring up the file manager. Go to drives here, my PC. You will see that the bootable drive has been created successfully for you. This brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.